There's a story about a famous college professor who divided his students in half. And one half, he said, this assignment is going to be all about quantity. I want you to take as many pictures as you can, because this is a photography course, as many pictures as you can over the semester, and I will grade you on the quantity that you take. And on the right side of the room, he said, I'm going to judge you only on your quality of photos. You only get one photo to submit after the entire semester, and I will grade you A through F on how you did. Now, what was interesting is all the students brought back all of their pictures, and the students that had the quantity had a higher quality than those that only had one picture. Now, why is this? Well, it's because as you put in the repetitions, it allows you to create a better product. And so if you just have to do something once and it has to be perfect, it's not going to work out as if you have something that's more iterative throughout time. So think about this as it relates to your business, as it relates to your work. You want to be able to create experiences that are going to put in the reps. And so let's say you're trying to get better at sales or marketing or something. You need to do something more than once in order to make it better. Hope this helps you. Thanks.